Hey guys, today we're just showing you how to make your own Discord bot updated version 2019. First of all, you want to get a few things installed. You want something called node.js. And then download it. I already have it installed. Next, you want something called Visual Studio Code. Download that from here. Now you want to create your first bot. So head over to this web address, new application, and name it something. Alright, go over to bot, add bot. Yes, do it. Now that's good. Keep it open because you'll need it later. Right, now you want to create a new folder on your desktop. New folder. Name it whatever you want. Now in this folder, you want to hit Shift right click. Open PowerShell window here. Type in npm install discord.js and let it install. Now you have that. Now you're good for that. We're going to right click, new, text document, and rename this entire thing to, or you can name this anything. I call it index.js. Some people might call it bot.js, but it doesn't matter. Now hit new text document again. This time, call this one config.js. Now you want to open up your IDE. That's Visual Studio Code. Now let it open up. Alright, now that it's open, you won't see anything that I have here, but hit File, Open Folder, and head down to and select the folder. Alright. So now you want on the right side here, on the left side, want to hit config.js, open that up, and index.js. Also hit terminal, new terminal. That open a PowerShell or a terminal here. Now in your config.js, you want to have these things. Token. And here we're going to paste our token in. Now to get your token, you go back to the thing I told you not to close, which is the Discord portal. Click to reveal and copy this. Don't share this with anyone. Anyone with this token can access your bot. So put that in there. Alright, so you want to rename this config.js to config.json. There, now it should be better, yeah. And then you want the next one should be prefix. Oh, after this you have to add a comma. And prefix. Whatever you want the prefix to be. Let's do question mark. And then that's it for the config. You can go ahead, Control S to save it and close it. Now here you want to add const discord equals require discord.js. Then you want to do const client equals new discord dot client. Now here you can use either a client or bot. I prefer bot because it's easier to type. Then you want to do constant config is require dot slash config dot json. Then I want to do bot dot on ready this thing equal this thing, and then that there. Now do console.log I am ready. I am in $, this bot dot users dot size or guilds dot size guilds. And then you can do bot.user.set activity. Hello. So that's the thing that it'll say playing. Hello. Next up, you want to have another here. Bot.on message async message, and then alright, so here you want to do if message dot bot dot author dot bot, then return. So what this says is if the message was sent by a bot, just completely ignore it. Now I'm gonna create up here constant prefix is equal to config dot prefix. Now here, if so now you want to do if message dot context message dot content dot index of prefix does not equal 0, then return. So if the the message doesn't have our prefix in it, just completely ignore it. A constant args equals message dot content dot slice prefix dot length dot trim dot split slash plus slash g. Then constant command is equal to args dot shift dot to lower case. Alright, now what we want to do is now we're going to set up a basic hello command. So if command triple equals hello message dot reply hello. So if someone does hello with our prefix in it, we'll reply with hello. Now let's do some basic moderation commands. If command triple equals ping, then constant message is equal to await message dot channel dot send pinging, and then first add a semicolon, there we go, and then message dot edit pong latency is $ message dot created timestamp minus message dot created timestamp milliseconds. API latency is math.round client.ping bot.ping milliseconds. Now that's a basic ping command. Now let's do a kick command. So if command triple equals kick, then you want to do if message dot member dot has permission administrator. So if they do not have that exclamation point right there, means if they do not, then just do return message dot reply. Sorry, you do not have permission. Then, so then return just completely ends the command, so that it doesn't do anything further. then do let member equals member message dot mentions dot members dot first. Or message dot guild dot members dot get args 0. So if they so the member to ban is be the first person they mention, or if they don't mention anyone and just say the name, they'll just search through the guild for that name. Now if member, so if they didn't mention a valid person, then return message dot reply please mention a valid person, valid user. And then we'll do if member dot kickable return. So if they can't be kicked, member dot message dot channel dot send. Sorry, I cannot kick that person. Do they have higher roles? They have higher role. They have a higher role. And then let reason equal args dot slice 1 dot join. So pretty much the reason for the kick is going to be whatever they say after the member. So if reason, then reason is equal to no reason provided. So if they don't mention if they don't say a reason, it'll automatically put it as no reason provided. Then you want to do await member dot kick reason. That should not be there. Not kick reason. And tab dot catch E for error. Message dot reply. Sorry, I couldn't kick them. Error. And then $E. And then message dot reply and white check mark. I think that's the right one. Okay, white check mark. User kicked. And for a ban command, pretty much just copy the kick command, change that to ban dot bannable. Sorry, I cannot ban that person, but they have a higher rule. And then remember dot ban user banned ban. So everything here should be banned. Alright, so go over to here. So I'm gonna have this thing in the description. So you wanna copy your client ID, and over here change this to the client ID. Hit bot, and then what permission you need. I'm gonna give it administrator, and so bot permissions should be 8. Now that's the link you should use to invite your bot. It'll be different for other people. So put this in bot testing. There we go. Bot.login config.token. There. Now if you do it, yeah, here we go. I am ready. So go over to Discord, and you can do ping hello and kick and ban or ban. So there's all the commands. And if you want this thing to be on for like a longer period of time, you can just open up the folder, shift right click, PowerShell, and type node index.js. Now this is just like its own PowerShell window, so you can just keep this open and have everything else closed. So that's it. If you guys need any help, I'll have a link on screen and in my description to my coding place where you can get help. So yeah, that's it. Goodbye.